The Lindenwood Library Services has many resources to help you do research. Today I'm going to talk about how to find articles on a specific topic. Articles are located in databases, so you will want to start your search using one of our library databases. We have over 100 to choose from, so we have tried to help you by categorizing them by subject. There are many subjects to choose from, but if you aren't sure which is the best fit for your topic, feel free to reach out to a librarian. For today, I am looking for information on classroom management techniques, so I'm going to use one of our education databases. I'm going to start in Academic Search Ultimate, which is a great multidisciplinary database, and then I'm going to add in a couple of other education-specific databases by clicking on Choose Databases. I'm going to select Education Admin Abstracts, ERIC, Education Full Text, and Teacher Reference Center. Then hit OK. Now I have to come up with some keywords that fit with what I am trying to research. I'm interested in learning about how groups can affect classroom management in an elementary school setting. So the keywords that I'm going to use are classroom management, which I put in quotes to make sure the results are for that exact phrase. On the next line, I put elementary or primary. I notice as I type that the database tries to help me with my search by making suggestions. Feel free to use the suggestions to help you come up with other possible keywords. Then, my last line, I'm going to put group work or teams. Remember that you want different ideas on different lines and similar ideas on the same line, but joined by or. Keep in mind that and narrows a search and or broadens it. Now I'm going to do a search to see how many results I get. I have over 700 results, so I'm going to use a couple of limits to narrow my results more. I'm going to select full text so that I can only see results that are available to me now. I'm going to select scholarly/peer-reviewed so I see the most academic resources, and then I'm going to limit my date to articles from only the last 10 years. After adding these limits, I am happy with my results, but if I wasn't, I could also add additional keywords to either narrow my search by joining them with and, or broaden my search by joining them with or. For ideas for new keywords, either do some background research on your topic or look at potential articles to see what keywords match your needs. Now I look at my results and see what articles fit my purpose. Result 3 looks promising, so I click to learn more. I read the abstract and decide that this article will work in my paper. I can then click the PDF full text link to gain access to the article. You can also email the article to yourself and use the Cite feature on the right-hand side. Note, there is no guarantee that the citation is 100% accurate, so if you have questions about citations or writing, please contact the Writing Center. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The techniques used here can be applied to other databases. If you have other questions about using our resources or need more help finding information on your topic, please contact the library.